Hey folks, today we're diving into a must-have for every driver, cyclist, or adventurer out there, the CarPerif Portable Tire Inflator. It's not just your regular air compressor. It's a multifunctional emergency tool that's compact, powerful, and packed with features. Let's jump right into it. As we open the box, you'll find the CarPerif Portable Tire Inflator snugly packed. Alongside the inflator, there's a C-type charging port, a car plug charging port, and a USB output port. Plus, we have a detailed user manual and a convenient storage bag. Everything you need is neatly organized. The CarPerif doesn't stop at inflating tires. It's an emergency powerhouse. The inflator boasts 3 kinds of lights: LED, SOS, and flashing lights perfect for late-night inflation or adding some visibility during your travels. Additionally, there's a C-type charging port, a car plug charging port, and a USB output port, turning it into a reliable emergency power source for your electronic devices. Now, let's talk about the functionality. It supports 4 types of pressure units: PSIKP, ABAR, and KG/CM. There are 4 preset inflation modes catering to bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls. But here's the kicker, a 5th custom mode where you can set pressure values based on your specific needs. It's versatile and tailored to your inflation requirements. And guess what? CarPerif has your back with a 1-year free after-sales service, including replacements. That's peace of mind right there. One standout feature is the persistent power. With a built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable battery, you're no longer tethered to an external power source during use. This not only makes it highly portable, but also ensures an inflation speed that's twice as fast as other cordless inflators on the market. Time efficient and hassle-free. The large LED display screen shows real-time and preset pressure values. It's clear, easy to read, and helps you keep tabs on your tire pressure. The auto-stop design adds an extra layer of safety by preventing overinflation. Convenience and safety seamlessly blended. The cordless, compact design makes it a breeze to carry. Toss it in your car, on your bike rack, or in your backpack. It's always ready for action. The included storage bag keeps everything together and organized. Truly a travel-friendly companion. In conclusion, the CarPerif Portable Tire Inflator isn't just about inflating tires. It's about being prepared for the unexpected. From emergency lighting to serving as a power bank, it's a versatile tool for your daily life and travels. Don't hit the road without it. Stay tuned for more reviews, and until next time, happy travels.